What to do if Prizepicks keeps logging you out. Now I'm going to explain why this happens. Sometimes Prizepicks logs you out because the app is under maintenance, so the first thing that you can do is just wait. If you don't want to wait, what you can do is go to prizepicks.com, and here you can use the website version instead of the application. So you will just log into your account and then you can use the web version of Prizepicks instead of the mobile app like I told you. And the last thing that you can do, the last fix, here you will go into your settings, phone settings. You want to search for iPhone storage, and then open up the iPhone storage. Here you'll just find Prizepicks from the list of applications, just like that. Click on it, and then you want to click on offload app, offload the app, reinstall the application, and see if that fixes the issue for you. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.